Welcome to Theme Park HD, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the theme parks, special events, experiences, and even some sports. Today, we're bringing you a pro point of view of the all-new Jurassic World Cretaceous coaster at Universal Kids Resort in Frisco, Texas. Located inside Jurassic World Adventure Camp, this family coaster is designed for younger adventurers and may just become the signature attraction of the park. We're going to show you the queue, share a few ride details, and it's time to ride. Let's head in.
Way to the back.